Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a green eyeshadow look, and that's why I'm wearing this green top. So let's get started. First I'm going to take my foundation, and I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Golden, and I'm going to use my beauty blender for this. Okay, now that our foundation is done, I'm going to use my concealer, and it's the Nars Concealer Sucre D'orge Soft Matte Concealer. Now I'm using the Mercier translucent powder in the color Translucent. All right, let's start with the brows. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. This is just a really good product, so I use it all the time. And I don't know if you can see, but my brows are getting a little bit thicker, because I don't want that. I used to have thin brows for a very long period of time, and I don't know, I just want something else now. Alright, I'm going to fill in my brows with the MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint in the color Stud. Okay, and now just blend it out. Okay, now using my concealer, and I'm putting it underneath my brow to create a sharp line. Okay, blend it out with your finger. Alright, so now onto the eyes, and I'm going to use a base color on my whole lid, and I'm using the Norvena palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm using the color Base, this one. And I'm bringing it all the way up to my brows as well. And blend it a little bit out with your fingers. And now for the lids, I'm going to use this silver colored eyeshadow. And I'm also putting it a little bit on the crease as well. Okay, now I'm going to wipe off the fallout with this brush. This is such a convenient brush. I don't know who made this, but he or she was a genius. Okay, now let's see. I am going to take a green color and put it underneath my eyes. And I'm going to start with a lighter green color, which is going to be underneath the eyes in the inner corner. Now I'm going to take a darker green color and put it on the outer corner of my eye. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it all the way up to create a wing. Like this. And now I'm going to take this eyeliner by Kiko. And it's very, this is very nice dark green color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it on the inner corner of my eye and create a small line in the inner corner. Like this, do you see it? And just drag it a little bit inwards. And later on, we're going to connect it with a black eyeliner. And now we're going to use the same color to create a wing. And you can just go over this line you already created. And also bring it inwards a bit, just to connect the line. All right. So we created this wing, brought it a bit in, and as well a little bit underneath till here. Okay, so now I'm going to take a white eye pencil and I'm going to put that on top of the green wing we just created. So now we have the green, the white, and on top comes the black liner. Okay, now I'm going to take my liquid eyeliner from Essence in the black color. So connecting it first with the green liner we created in the inner corner. Then dragging it outwards. And what I like to do is start from here and then dragging it inwards. Like this. So we created a wing eyeliner as you would normally do, but just more on top of this white color. And if you make any mistakes, you can just use your concealer brush to fix it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to line my waterline with this green color. Okay, so now for the fun part, I'm going to use this glitter eyeshadow. This one, very pretty. And I'm going to place that on my lid. And you can go crazy with it. The more glitters, the better, of course. And you can also drag it a little bit on the crease as well and connect it to this line. So when you have your eyes open, you also see the glitters. Okay, now I just want to use the white eyeliner and just put it in the corners of my eyes just to brighten it up. And just blend it out a little bit with your finger. And this eyeliner has a little bit of a white pearly look. So it does have a little bit shimmer in it. And this look is all about glitters and shimmer. So yeah, now on to lashes. And I'm going to use the Lilly lashes in Miami Flare. Okay, the lashes are on. Okay, so let's do blush now. And I'm going for a pinky color. And for this look, I'm going to use a lot of bronzer because we want this glowy look. Blending it out with my beauty blender. And for the lips, I'm going to use the MAC lip pencil in the color Stripdown. And for lipstick, I'm using Honey Love by MAC. And on top, I'm going to use a transparent lip gloss. Okay, and lastly, for the highlighter, I'm going to use MAC's Strobe highlighter in the color Gold. And I'm going to use my fingers for this. Okay, we are finished. And this look is so glossy and glittery. I love it, especially with this green color. So yeah. Yeah guys, so subscribe, comment down below, and like, of course. And then I will see you in my next video with a new look. Okay, bye guys. Wow, this highlighter is everything. This is the final look. Glossy and glittery. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And I will see you next time. Bye guys. Oh yeah, and comment, like, and subscribe, of course. Bye.